If you're looking to make money with your business, email marketing is the way to go. There's lots of statistics to prove that it works. Do you want your email marketing to work the way you want it to work? Do you want to make email design to slap? Do you want to make emails look awesome? You don't want emails to just go to your subscribers' inboxes. You want them to slap. You want them to be hot. You want them to be sexy. You want them to get you the returns you seek. And that's what Design Modo helps you achieve. You can get yourself a free copy of Design Modo at fetchprofits.com/Design Modo and start for free. Inside Design Modo, this is how email marketing designer or editor looks like. And here on the left side panel, you have all of the layout options. And on the right side panel, you have the tools necessary to make changes to each of the elements that you will add. You also have the ability to add more elements to this email depending on the kind of email that you would like to create. For example, if you were to click on this little plus icon on the top left corner, you'll be able to find menu, header, content, a feature section, call to actions, e-commerce specific layouts and transactional layouts as well, and also your footer section. So as you see, there is a sample email right here, and to make changes to this sample email is pretty straightforward. And click on this particular element, and if you do, all of the layout elements are to your left. So you have the logo here, and if you click on the logo, on the right side panel, you'll be able to make all the changes to that particular logo element that you just chose. So let's say if I wanted to change this logo, all I need to do is upload that image and change it. At the moment, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to click out of it. I can make changes to the text here, and I could change the font if I wanted to. I could go with Helvetica, which is my favorite. Use that, and then you can make changes to it right away, right here. So you could say something like future is here, and change the heading here as click on the right side panel for this particular element that you've chosen and go for Helvetica because I want to keep the consistent, and make changes to something like. Now onto the image, the main image here. Click on that image, click on this particular image on the left side panel, upload a new image if you would like to, which is what you would normally do. Select an image, upload, open that image from your desktop or wherever it is that you've saved it. Your new image comes here. Just click on it and click on insert image, and your new image shows up here. You can subheading here. On the button here, this is the call to action button, and make changes to that button as well. You could add a link on the right side panel. I'm going to leave the URL right there. Please do check on this box that says open a new tab. Change the text font to Helvetica again. You can also change the colors, which I'm going to change it to green. Create beautiful looking emails. Now, if you would like to add a new element, do that on the top left corner. Click on plus, click on content or header or menu or call to action. I'm going to click on feature because that's what I think makes most sense for this particular email, how it works. I'm going to add it at the bottom here, and this is how your email is constructed. It builds block by block. So you could change all of these elements here, make changes. Do after all of this is to just preview it, which you can preview, and how it looks like on desktop and how it looks like on mobile. Beautiful. You don't have to do a thing to make it mobile responsive, and click on close on the top right corner. If you're ready and if you're happy with your email, do is on the top right corner, click on that green button that says export. Then you have options as to export as a zip file, or you can directly integrate with any of the email marketing providers that you might be using, such as HubSpot, Klaviyo. There are 28 more integrations that you could use. If you need more, can download it as a zip or an Outlook template, or just copy email code. You could do that as well. This is how you design hot looking sassy email marketing campaigns for all of your campaigns. This includes regular broadcast campaigns, automation campaigns, retargeting emails, newsletters, and any other email campaign that you can think of. And I believe that Design Modo is one of the best tool out there. Create emails with absolutely no code whatsoever. So get yourself a copy of Design Modo at fetchprofits.com/Design Modo. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing out.